Who doesn't love a traditional guacamole? It is easy to make and so delicious. This time we're gonna roast a few ingredients to add that sweet, smoky, nutty flavor. It's gonna be so good. Let's get started with some prep. Dice half a cup of tomatoes, and I'm just gonna remove that core area. Cut it in half. Dice the ingredients into small pieces. That way you get subtle bites throughout the guacamole. Transfer it into a bowl. I love when I get ripe, nice and red tomatoes. Now a red onion, although I've always thought this looks more purple than red. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments area. Dice half a cup of it. The sweet flavor from the onion is gonna be a great addition, plus that color, it's so astonishing. Also chop a quarter of a cup of fresh cilantro. For the roasting part, we're gonna need 2 whole unpeeled garlic cloves. I'm excited about this because I just love that nutty, sweet roasted flavor from the garlic. I do want to pick through because I need 2 large ones. As for the pepper, I am using an habanero. Even though it is scorching hot, I love its herbal tones that I know are gonna be amazing. I'm just fascinated by this pepper. It's got really distinctive flavors.
We're gonna brave it out.
Oh my goodness. But if you wanna use a different type of pepper, you can also use jalapeno or serrano to your liking. I'm only using one. Grab the garlic and let's head to the stove. Place a comal or griddle over medium heat. Roast the garlic and the habanero until they are cooked through. The garlic is gonna soften and get lightly browned. You don't want to burn it. As far as the habanero, you do want it to get a nice char all around. Grinding time. I like to always put something under the molcajete to prevent it from scratching the surface that I'm working on. Now peel that garlic. It should be soft and lightly browned. Add a small amount of salt to help grind it into a paste. Ooh, this smells good already. Now, remove that stem. See how easy that was? And grind away. I can start to smell those herbal tones. Enjoy them, they're so gratifying. Just be careful not to smell it too close because it is pretty strong. Molcajete aside, I'm already so excited. We're gonna need 2 large ripe avocados. Cut them open. And let's see how these look. Oh, gorgeous. Remove that seed. Easy peasy. Scoop it into the molcajete. Now mash it down, but try to keep that chunky consistency. These are some really rich, creamy, smooth avocados. Immediately squeeze half of a lime, and these are very juicy. It's about 1 tablespoon because we want the avocado to be exposed to the acidity. That way it doesn't go brown. Now we're gonna mix with a spoon. Make sure you scoop all of that goodness at the bottom, which is the garlic and the pepper. Get it nicely mixed in. Finally, incorporate those tomatoes, onion. Didn't I tell you that color? Gorgeous. And cilantro.
That's a volcano.
Of goodness, all right, of greatness. Carefully mix that in. It's doable. I've done this before. Add salt to taste. I will be doing half a teaspoon and mix it once again.
That does looks pretty good.
That garlic,
Man,
the habanero. It's on the spicy side, but I have to say it's doable. It's not too bad.
Last time I said that chorizo goes with everything, but man, avocados.
You know that saying? Avocados are like butter from a tree. And I agree 100%.
You can't go wrong with them.
Happy face, happy hearts. I'm feeling the vibe.
Go try the Salvadorian guacamole recipe that we have.
Rejoice and have a good time playing around with different types of guacamole. Also follow us on all of our social media platforms, and the full print of our recipe is going to be available on villacocina.com. All right, we've got some eating to do. Until the next one, bye.
Enjoy the recipe, everybody.
Yes.